Welcome to our tutorial on how to buy FLM tokens on Binance and withdraw them to your Neo N3 wallet. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to Binance.com. Once you're on the Binance homepage, click on the Trade tab. Now select Spot Trade from the available options. Type FLM into the search bar and pick either the FLM USDT or the FLM BTC trading pair. We'll use the FLM USDT pair in this tutorial to exchange USDT for FLM. You can opt for a market order to buy FLM at the current best sell price or a limit order to set a specific purchase price. We'll go with the market order for this example. Input the amount of USDT you want to spend on FLM and hit the Buy FLM button. We'll buy 100 FLM in this case. With FLM now in your Binance Exchange wallet, go to Wallet and select Fiat and Spot. Locate FLM among the tokens in your Binance Exchange wallet and click Withdraw. Input your Neo N3 address, select the Neo N3 network, specify the number of FLM you want to withdraw, and click Withdraw. Review the summary of your withdrawal, and if everything looks correct, click Continue. You'll be prompted to verify your account. Provide the necessary details and click Submit. Great job! You've successfully purchased FLM tokens on Binance and transferred them to your Neo N3 wallet. Thanks for joining us in this tutorial, and we hope it was helpful. Don't forget to explore other features on Flamingo Finance, such as staking and earning and decentralized lending, to maximize your DeFi experience.